I am Dr.P, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Sri Vasavi College, Erode. I am going to explain about Maslow'S need hierarchy theory of motivation. Maslow'S need hierarchy theory of motivation is an important theory of motivation. Maslow'S hierarchy of need is a theory in psychology proposed by an American psychologist Abraham Maslow in the year 1943. Maslow'S theory of motivation is based on the human needs. So this theory is based on human needs. This theory defines motivation as the process of satisfying certain needs that are required for long-term survival and development. According to Maslow, individuals are motivated by unsatisfied needs. So according to him, only unsatisfied needs motivate. There are some needs that are basic to all human beings, and in their absence nothing else matters. As we satisfy basic needs, they no longer serve as a motivator and we begin to satisfy higher order needs. It means the satisfied needs are not a motivator, only the unsatisfied needs are the motivators. This theory is based on some assumptions. The first assumption is people's behavior is based on their needs. Satisfaction of such needs influence their behavior. So based on the satisfaction of needs, the people's behavior will change. People's needs are in hierarchical order, starting from basic needs to higher level needs. Another assumption is a person moves to the next higher level of higher level needs when the lower level need is satisfied. It means only after satisfying the lower level needs, the person moves to the next higher level needs. A satisfied need can no longer motivate a person, only the next higher level need can motivate him. This is one of the assumptions. Hierarchy of needs. According to Maslow, the needs are in some hierarchical order. The first need of a person is physiological needs, and the next is safety or security needs, and the third one is social needs, and fourth one is esteem needs, and the last one self-actualization needs. Among these 5 hierarchy of needs, the first 2, physiological needs and safety or security needs, are lower order needs, and the other 3 needs, social needs, esteem needs, self-actualization needs, are higher order needs. We will see the needs one by one. First one is physiological need. So this is the need for basic amenities of life. Every person needs this, basic amenities of life. Maslow considered it is the most essential of our needs. These basic needs are air, water, food, clothing and shelter. This is important for every person. So according to him, if these needs are not satisfied, then one's motivation will arise from searching this. The second type of need is safety or security need. Once the physiological needs are met, then they try to satisfy safety and security. Safety needs include physical, environmental and emotional safety. These include job security, financial security, family security, health security, etc. The next type of need is a social need. Once a person has met the lower level needs, that is physiological and safety needs, the higher level needs are important. The first higher level need is a social need. Social needs include the need for love, affection, care, belongingness and friendship. It includes our need to feel that we belonging to a social group. That is, need for friends, need for belonging, need to give and receive love. So this is also one of the important needs. This is the first need of higher level needs. The another need is esteem needs. Once a person fulfills the social need, then esteem need arise. Esteem needs are of two types. One is internal esteem need and another one is external esteem need. Internal esteem need is feeling self-confidence and feeling good about oneself. That is self-respect, self-confidence, competence, achievement and freedom. So these are called as internal esteem need. And the external esteem need is feeling valued by others. It is a feeling that our achievements and contributions have been recognized by other people. So always we are expecting some recognition. We are expecting some status. That is called the external esteem need. Next type of need is self-actualization need. This is the highest level in the hierarchy of needs. It is the feeling that we are living up to our potential. So after satisfying all the needs, the person is trying to achieve self-actualization need. Usually these needs are never fully satisfied. As one grows, psychologically there are always new opportunities to grow. It drives an individual to realize his or her dream. It motivates an individual to perform to best of his or her abilities and achieve the desired goals. According to Maslow, only small percentage of population reaches this level. So already we discussed 5 levels of needs, hierarchy of needs. The physiological and safety needs constituted lower order needs, and these lower order needs are mainly satisfied externally. The social esteem and self-actualization needs constituted the higher order needs, and these higher order needs are generally satisfied internally, that is within an individual. This Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory of motivation has some limitations. This theory has been criticized by some writers. Some writers criticize this theory. It is said that the need hierarchy may not follow the sequence stated by Maslow. Maslow stated 5 needs in the hierarchy. The need hierarchy may not follow the sequence stated by Maslow. Next limitation is it cannot be verified empirically because there is no proper method to measure accurately how satisfied one level of need must be before the next higher needs becomes operative. And the next limitation is there is a little evidence to suggest that people are motivated to satisfy only one level of need at a time. So this is also one of the limitations. Though there are some limitations in the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, we can conclude that Maslow's theory is simple to understand. It focuses on needs of human beings as the basis for motivation. So according to him, a satisfied need is not a motivator. Only unsatisfied needs motivate an individual, and certain lower factor needs can be satisfied before higher needs can be satisfied. This theory is relevant in the modern day applications, especially in the world of business. Managers use this theory to identify the various needs levels among the employees and formulate different motivational techniques to satisfy their needs and motives. Even though Maslow's hierarchy lacks scientific support, it is a quite well known and it is a first theory of motivation to which many people they are exposed.